Alright, I thought I'd take a quick minute to do a quick video here. Something I recently discovered about basically kind of the way fireworks are going, I feel, and what China's decided to kind of do. And yeah, so I thought I would start with these Twitter glitters. Just kind of give you a quick demonstration. Here's an older one. I think it's 80s, 90s or so. No barcodes on it anywhere. It's got the glassine or kind of a plastic cellophane top. Got some dust on it there. Now, this is fairly old. So we got that one. Here's the newer one. Got the tissue paper on top. You can kind of see the difference. The wording's different. And I noticed like the tail on the bird is different. And this one's got a barcode. But more there and there. So yeah, color's different. This is a lighter green, this is dark. But the main difference, basically how this whole video started, is I was in a fireworks store. I noticed they had these and they had these. I went like this. I said, damn. So, to give you an idea what I mean. That's your newer one. 103.3 is the older one. 216. So, you know, 113 grams heavier. And, you know, you ask yourself why. That's the whole meaning of this video. So we're going to see what's inside these little bits and see what's going on. I got another one here. I tore the top off already, so I'll put this one away. This one. Same thing, right up there with it. So, okay, the biggest shock to me, already kind of looked inside this a little bit. Feel this open. You can already see a difference already. Pop this off. I'll take this one out first. Let's see what's up inside there. That's literally all that it is. Sorry, I'm a lefty, so this probably looks odd to some people. There's your new Twitter glitter. That's what you're paying for when you buy these. Number 0530B. That's what you get for 103 grams. Now I'm going to demo these later. I got more I can do a demo on. I got a shotgun brand here. I think it's about 4 grams heavier than this one, but it's pretty much the same. Got the tube in there. I'll pop this off. Check this out. Look at that. All quick fuse. I believe there's 23 stars, or whatever the hell those tubes are. This thing is heavy. I know weight doesn't always matter, but in this case, when I picked them both up at the store, I thought, holy shit, this is not, something's not right. They both said 530B. But yeah, that's, you getting that one. This is, I'm not going to take all this apart, but each one of these tubes has a quick fuse and all that. This is how you're supposed to have it. This is This is a Twitter glitter. I don't know what the hell this is supposed to be, but we'll demo them and see what's going on. So basically, my point being, I don't know what the hell China's trying to do, but this shit's not cool. Pardon my language, but, you know, and they were both $2. There's $2. And Isolate, she says, oh, they're both the same. They're both Twitter glitter. I didn't try arguing with her. I didn't say nothing. I just said, okay. And I bought a couple of each, you know, to do a demo on. So, yeah, that's it. That's what's inside your Twitter glitter when you buy it. So if you do see the old ones with the plastic top, this style, no barcode on it, buy them up. Buy all these you can get, because these are pretty damn good. I don't know what the hell these do. So that's that, guys. Like and subscribe. Give me a comment below. Let me know what you think. So 319 Pyros. Have a good night.